Hi everyone, for this video I'm going to show you how to lower your pool water's pH level using muriatic acid. So muriatic acid is very dangerous. It can actually burn through your skin. So you want to make sure that you are wearing a gloves every time you handle muriatic acid, or be very careful when you use it. So right now I'm going to be wearing gloves. So to use a muriatic acid, you don't want to add it directly to the pool because the muriatic acid is heavier than the water. Um, it does mix in with the water, but when you pour it directly to the water, it tend to go down to the floor quickly. So unless you are putting it in a strong flow water that will dilute it faster, then you don't want to just pour that thing into your pool, or else you're gonna have discoloration in your pool, or worse is if you have plaster in your pool, it might damage it as well. So what I'll do is I'm using a 5-gallon bucket of water. I'm gonna be filling it with pool water to about half, and then add the necessary amount of muriatic acid that I need to lower my pH. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first let me just grab some water from my pool. Okay, so you want to get at least half, up to half, or maybe up to where you're comfortable at, just to make sure that you have full control of the bucket. You don't want it to be too heavy. Okay, um, for my pH, I'm gonna be using a pH calculator, so I will know exactly how much muriatic acid I need to add. So let me do that right now. Okay, so to calculate how much muriatic acid I need to add, I'm using a pool calculator. This is an app from Trouble Free Pool. So what I'm just gonna do is click on the pH, and my target pH is gonna be 7.4. My current pH is 8.10, 8.10, and my alkalinity. So in order for you to get the proper amount of acid that you need to add, you need to know your total alkalinity. And so my alkalinity right now is 180. So click check. So it tells me if I have 29% muriatic acid, right here it gives you an option. If you're using a 14.5% muriatic acid, 29%, or if you're using a dry acid. I usually use a dry acid. It's a lot easier to handle and it's safer. But right now I'd like to show you how to use muriatic acid to uh, add it into the pool. So my muriatic acid actually is at 31%. This thing does not come with an option for 31%, but that's okay. It's close enough. So it's telling me right now, right here, the result is I needed to add at least 7.1 ounces of muriatic acid. Okay, so it says that I needed to add 7 ounces. So I have a measuring cup here. I have a 4 ounces and an 8 ounces. I'm just gonna put it right before the 8-ounce mark. So let's do it that way. So now let me add this into the pail to dilute it. And what I do is just to mix it up. Okay, then you just want to distribute it around your pool. And what I do, since I have a small pool, is I just basically just move it around. Then I would dip this in the pool too to clean it up. You don't want any drip of muriatic acid in your hands or in the concrete. So I would also just make sure this is clean. So if you have anything that's dripping down, don't just wipe it off with a rag. Right now I don't have anything dripping down, but I can always like close this tightly and just dip it quickly into the pool. Okay, now you can wipe it off. So that's how you add muriatic acid into your pool to lower your pH. And hopefully you like this video. And if you find this video helpful, please click on the like and the subscribe button.